Hi guys, it's me Yuri and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to give you a what's on my bag video na I know it's not really connected with makeup tips or anything, but yeah, I just wanna share with you guys what's on my bag na ginagamit ko for everyday. So ngayon, so, yung laman ng bag ko na makikita nyo ngayon is may bag na dala-dala ko every time na duty ako sa OJT, though it's just one of my bag na lagi kong ginagamit. Kaya, yeah, makikita nyo siya ng hindi ko pa nababawasan kung ano yung laman niya kasama yung basura or anything or what. So, here's my bag. Yeah. Ayan, yung gamit ko kanina na bag. Galing to sa tita ko rin. I love this bag kasi super fab niya. Simple but fab. And I love the color cream. Pero medyo dirty cream na siya. So, ayan. Hindi ko pa nababawasan yung laman niya. So, let's check it out. So, guys, to give you a heads up, baka mabigla kayo, you'll be seeing 3 pouches na nasa bag ko. Yes, because hindi ko alam pero super addict ako sa pouches and I want my things to be organized all the time. So, iba yung pouch for makeup, for tissue or what, and for, syempre, yung uniform na ginagamit ko sa pag-duty ko on my OJT. So, start na natin. Without any further ado, let's start this thing up. So, sisimulan natin sa pinakamalaking pouch na nasa loob ng bag ko. This one, this contains my uniform. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kasi dirty. But, ayan. Ayan yung unang laman ng bag ko. Uniform pouch. Yan. Next thing is my tumbler. This one is my everyday tumbler. Because I can't live without coffee. Kaya lagi ko may dalang tumbler for coffee. Iced coffee actually. So, ayan. Next thing is this pouch. Yeah. May Starbucks pouch na paghahalataan. Ayan. This one contains girl thingy. Sorry. Ayan. Tissue. Yan. Cleansing tissue or wet wipes. I also have my powder, my ID, my mist, which one of my favorite mists for the month of April, my hair comb, and sanitary thingy. Ayan yung naman ng second pouch. And then my last pouch, my third pouch, is my favorite gold pouch, which contains my everyday makeup. I have my powder, my lipstick. Ayan siya. Red yung color niya. It's Essence in shade Adorable Matte. Number 14. And I also have my Into It blush on, which one of my favorite blush on. My lip balm, since summer na, uso nang madry ang ating lips, kaya always may lip balm. And I also have my spare lipstick, which is from Forever 21. This one is in shade, I don't know, but this one is a matte red. I always have 2 lipsticks on my pouch actually. I also have my Misha mascara, which is one of my favorite mascara. I also have here my Etude House eyebrow pencil with brush something. I also have eyeliner which has 2 colors, brown and black. I also have this yung favorite ko na dark brown na eyeshadow, which I am using for nose line. I also have 2 brushes. This one I'm using for this kabuki brush. I'm using this for my powder, and this one is for my blush on. So that's my everyday makeup. And next, I have here my wallet. This one is my favorite wallet, S3. Yeah. Yan yung laman niya. Wala siyang laman, huwag niya nang i-check. Next is, may laman pa ba? Earphone, basura, bus ticket, gamot sa ulcer. And I also have my coin purse. And I also have things I bought this kanina. And check natin kung ano yung binili ko kanina. Some, facial thing. Here we go. I have this. I bought powder from Maybelline. Facial cream. Baby Holic. I'm going to try these things out. And I'm going to give you an update. Actually, puro ganito yung binili ko kasi I wanna try them first before buying nung naka-tube na ganito. Okay, I'm going to give you a review about these things. But na natin. And, meron pa ba? Yeah. Alcohol. What's this? Ito. Basura ulit. This one is a Starbucks receipt. And wala na. And this Myron's chain call this one name badge. So that's all. Ayun yung laman ng bag ko. And guys, kung nakita niyo yung mga sinabi ko na binili ko kanina, and na-turn nyo na sila, just comment down below kung ano yung masasabi nyo sa product na yun para ma-compare ko kung ano yung results sa face ko and sa inyo. And I'm going to give a review, a video review for those products. So, I hope you guys like this video and thank you for watching. Bye bye, boom!